My name is Vinod Ayyappan. I am from Kerala, but I grew up in Mumbai. I am here for the last 10 years. So we made this villa, and now we've just installed this Nibav lift, almost now 1 year. It has been a good experience, both with the installation and also with the service part. We are very happy with the installation. We actually came to know about Nibav lifts through many sources, from ads in the online and also in different magazines. So we have a office here in Calicut, near sales tax office, Jawahar Nagar. So we visited there also before we made the decision to purchase the lift. So we went there, and there is an actual model which we could actually experience, and that gave us a lot of confidence in the product. So we've been using the lift now for almost 1 year, and overall the service has been very good. Overall the product has been very good. The customer support responded very well, and the local staff here also, they have responded very well. So overall it has been a good experience for us. So the design of the lift is extraordinary. All my friends who have come from many parts of India, they have all appreciated the design of the lift. The all-round vision that the glass provides is really nice, and nobody is really afraid of traveling on the lift. The service from Nibav has been very good over the past year. Definitely, if somebody has already, my sister who is in Coimbatore, she has already recommended this lift to her neighbor, and they are already installing the same product in Coimbatore in their villa. Anybody has asked me, I have always recommended it is a good product for a home use. Very nice product.